Hi folks, today we will see a nice trick from Amazon wherein you can make a simple transaction as simple as sending money from one account to other or scanning UPI code to send the amount, and you can earn cashback anywhere from 5 rupees to 15 rupees per day. This can be considered as free of cost by sending the amount to your same account with different UPI ID or scanning your own account with different UPI ID, either with the different bank or with the same bank. So let me just show you how it works. Okay, go to your home page, open Amazon app, and within the Amazon app, go to Amazon Pay. Okay, it is just loading, and scroll down and go to all categories of under rewards. Okay, under all categories there are two rewards which are shown here. Collect both of them, that is under bill payments and money transfers. Let me collect this. Scan any UPI QR and pay. Collect now. And money transfer, win up to 100 back. Collect now. Okay, so I have collected both the vouchers. So now let me just make the transaction. So let me first make the send money transaction. Okay, I have selected the send money. So let me select my own account. And the interesting part is you don't have to send any large amount or huge amount. You can just start with 1 rupee. So let me just write comment on. So basically I am sending amount from my Paytm account to my ICICI account. So let me send code and press OK. You can see that for just sending 1 rupees I have got 3 rupees cashback. So since you have sent 1 rupee from your account to your account, so there is no deduction here, and you can see that that 1 rupee is credited to my account only, and I have got this 3 rupees as cashback in Amazon Pay. Okay, now let me try to scan. So win up to 100 back with the scan and pay. Okay, I have selected the scan now. Select any UPI ID. So here for time being I have again selected my own account. So let me just send 1 rupee on pay now. You can see that for sending 1 rupee from my account to my account, again I have received a cashback of 7 rupees. So this is amazing, right? So just by sending 1 rupee daily from your account to your account, you can earn anywhere from 5 rupees to 15 rupees. So this I have been doing daily from past 1 month, and I have earned more than 300 rupees through this. But please note that all this amount will be credited as Amazon Pay cashbacks, and it can be used for any transaction in Amazon, like for purchasing any goods and items, and also for bill payment.
A few moments later.
I am recording this after 5 minutes of time. So let me just show the cashback which was received for that those two transaction. Go to Amazon Pay, and earlier this balance was 0 rupees, and now you can clearly see that the cashback of 3 and 7 rupees is credited. So if I check my transaction details, so for sending 1 rupee to myself I got 3 rupees cashback, and again sending 1 rupee to myself through the scan and pay I got 7 rupees cashback. So just by making a transaction from your account to your account, you got a cashback of 10 rupees. So this is for one particular day, and just imagine every day if you do this kind of transaction for 30 days, you will end up getting 300 to 450 rupees, which is good, which can be used for buying other things in Amazon. So that's it for today's video. So we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Thanks.